Good morning, everyone. My name is Jay Mandapati, and I'm the go-to-market leader for North America at Sonera Tech. Pleased to welcome you all to this engaging session. Let me introduce you to Dr. Uwe Rigolet, SVP, General Manager, SAP S/4HANA Solution Management and GTM. Dr. Uwe is globally responsible for end-to-end go-to-market and solution management of SAP Business Suite 4, SAP HANA, on-premise and private cloud.
From my side, my name is Uwe Rigolet. I'm running SAP S/4HANA Solution Management at SAP. So I'm responsible for the commercial success of SAP S/4HANA and also for the SAP S/4HANA roadmap. From my background, I'm with SAP now since more than 21 years, started originally as a finance developer, so was always very closely connected to the overall topic of ERP systems and SAP solution for it. What I would like to talk today about is how S/4HANA can really help you to become an intelligent enterprise and to run your business in a lot more profitable and effective way. Take a look at what is differentiating S/4HANA from a traditional ERP system. I would like to use this picture here to paint a little bit the background. So while our today's ERP system, our yesterday's ERP system, the classical ECC, was able, of course, to run the operations for all of our customers, 35,000 customers in 25 industries across all segments. With S/4HANA, we have a little bit of a different idea what an ERP system should do. And this idea goes along two dimensions compared to the classical ERP. So first of all, we have started to automate a lot of activities in the classical ERP in S/4HANA. We did it by simplifying the transactions. We brought several transactions together in one Fiori cockpit, for instance, but we also did it by implementing things like robotic process automation, machine learning over the past years, especially with the aim to really turn around the separation between, or the distribution between operations and insight between how it has been at ERP and now how it is as SS4. So coming from an 80-20 distribution from a classical ERP system where most of the time the people are spending in the system running an operation. With S/4HANA, the operation should be mainly done automatically, autonomously by the system, which gives the people a lot more time and a lot more space as well to really analyze the data, work with the data in the system, because we are convinced that all of the data, all of these silver and gold nuggets that are in the system of our customers is really not being used efficiently and enough to really deliver insights and to identify how you can run your business in a better way. But we're also taking it in another dimension as well. And this is then not only to look into the past, but also to look in the future, because especially driven by machine learning, situational handling, and the intelligence that we are bringing into the system, we see that the S/4HANA system is not only a system that is helping you to run what you're running today in a lot more efficient and profitable way, but it is also a solution that will help you to identify possible ways to go, to look into the future and to identify what you have to do to, for instance, get the best outcome out of your system for the future. So this is why in the second dimension of a differentiation between a classical ERP and S4, we are seeing this proactive business steering driven by predictive insight and artificial intelligence of our system. This is really how we can help you to do things better in the past, not only to do the same things better in as you have done in the past, but also to really do things differently and innovate new ways how to serve your customers. This is why when we are looking at the outcome that we are delivering with S/4HANA, we are at the end seeing this outcome growing across three different dimensions. S/4HANA will help our customers to improve the bottom line. That is, I think, quite obvious, because we are driving efficiency. We are driving better insight into, for instance, the working capital that you're having in your system. And we are also achieving tangible benefits already with quite a lot of existing S/4HANA customers in that respect. But we are also helping our customers to improve the top line. So we are driving new business models in S4HANA that have not been possible before. Customers that are moving to service-oriented business instead of selling products are getting support by our solution order concept in S4HANA. A customer like Delivery Hero that started as a small startup is now a company listed in the German stock market index, and is really helping, is using S4HANA to help them increase their revenue and handle the big growth that the company is showing. And for instance, a customer like Excite here, they're using our new back order processing and improved order handling that we are having in S4HANA to fundamentally improve the customer satisfaction because of on-time and on customers' expectation delivery. And that is improving their customer retention rate driven by S4HANA. But we're also seeing a third line, and this is what we are calling, or what I'm also like to call the green line, because we have also decided to put in the whole topic of sustainability as a native element into our S4HANA solution, so that customers that are running S4HANA are not only doing a better and a predictive business, but that they're also able to handle specific elements like, for instance, their greenhouse gas exposure natively being followed on in the system. So with that, along the bottom line, the top line, and the green line, we definitely help that we can help our customers not only to run their today's business better, but also to innovate new business models and to do it along a sustainable way to develop their business. Delivering the solution, we have decided with S4HANA that we brought out basically in 2015 to also have this system as the system that is taking our customers to the cloud with ERP. So in S4HANA, we are following the clear strategy of a cloud-first development and innovation. So the one code line of S4HANA will always be innovated with new capabilities that are being developed for the cloud, and that will be shipped today in a quarterly, in the future even in a monthly innovation cycle to our customers in the cloud. But as we know that there are also some customers that still would like to consume an ERP software in an on-premise type of fashion as a product, we're also shipping S4HANA as a product to our customers, to those that are interested to run the solution on premises. And here the customers are getting a yearly release of the solution into which all of the innovations that we have brought quarterly or in future monthly into the cloud solutions have been consolidated and are available then in an on-premise or at least in a hybrid fashion as well. We are delivering all of these two variants here on one data model, one semantic and one user experience, so that also customers that are running both solutions in parallel will have a unique user experience and will have a unique solution they are driving across their whole business. In terms of scaling, no matter whether a customer is running our S4HANA cloud solution or they're deciding to run the solution on their own premises, of course, in terms of the infrastructure underneath, they can use SAP data centers, they can use the classical hyperscaler infrastructures, or they can run it in their own data centers. Intelligent technology really helping our customers to innovate here. And we are seeing that going across three different lines. So first of all, intelligence is helping our customers to optimize the processes they're running today in their system, to drive efficiency and also more reliability of the processes due to the machine learning and the intelligent algorithms we have built into the solution. But then it will also help them to extend processes into areas where they have not been so far. By connecting elements out of a classical ERP system with, for instance, capabilities that are today available on modern machines, we can really extend business processes, classical planning processes from the core ERP system to the edge computing of intelligent devices. And with that, for instance, in the manufacturing space, really generate new ways how to control the environment and how to drive efficiency and optimization there. And then last but not least, with our intelligence, we are also helping our customers to transform their today's value chain and to create new business models. Because of the capability of our solutions to not only look into the past and have a system running in an optimized way, but also to run predictive forecasts for the future. our customers, your customers, can now run more efficient ways how to identify future business models with their end customers. And they can then use the flexible solution of S/4HANA or S/4HANA Cloud to implement these new solutions into the system and to run. Let me give also one example that is demonstrating it a little bit. And let me take a simple example here of a service technician replacing a spare part. So in the past, this has been a highly manual process, starting from identifying the broken spare part, then ordering it, ordering the right spare part, replacing the spare part, and at the end also making sure that everything is recorded sufficiently. With S/4HANA, all of these elements have now become digital. So the investigation of the broken asset and then the identification of the broken spare part is being done supported by a mobile device. A picture of the broken spare part is sufficient for that spare part to be ordered. So there will no wrong ordering taking place because the image recognition is ordering the right spare part. The spare part is arriving at the right place because the installation of the machine is giving the right address to deliver to. And also then the replacement of the spare part is supported by augmented virtual reality, helping the technician to do it really in the right way. And once it is done, a picture is then also closing the whole case and posting the movement of the spare part and as well closing the service order as such. So you see that we have completely digitized this classical service management process driven by modern technology, all implemented in our S/4HANA solution. And that is how we are helping our customers to really get more sustainable and get more innovative with SAP S/4HANA. And if we are looking at where we are today, we have more than 14,600 customers on S/4HANA, more than 7,400 customers live. And we have implemented a full strategy, how we are helping the customers that are still on their journey or would like to start their journey, starting from identifying the vision and strategy, then building the case, planning the way how to implement S/4HANA, and then also to follow up the delivery of the business value. So across all of these steps, we have defined a program along with our MOVE program. And we have defined tools and we have defined services that are helping our customers to run all these steps in a sufficient and effective way and to shorten the cycle to move to S/4HANA as much as possible. So with that short introduction, I hope I have been able to give you a little bit of an impression what S/4HANA is really doing different than a classical ERP system, and looking really forward to an interesting discussion coming up with you. So digital transformation is on the agenda of most of us, I think. With Sonartech's Digital Acceleration Summit 2020, I think you're getting a great event, you're getting great content that will help you to identify, first of all, where are the areas where you can use digitization to really innovate and to run your today's processes also in a more efficient way. And then you will also learn how SAP's solution, starting from S/4HANA, going over the technology solution, and then also the intelligent enterprise and the industry cloud on top of it, how all of these solutions are helping you to really get a digital company and to take the most benefit out.
Speaker for the day is Greg Petrakis, SVP and General Manager, Mid-Market and Partner Ecosystems, SAP North America. As Head of Mid-Market and Partner Ecosystem for SAP North America, Greg is responsible